Step into the future of effortless cleanliness with our cutting-edge line of intelligent window cleaning robots. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual window cleaning and welcome the convenience and efficiency of our top-rated models. Equipped with advanced sensors, these robots seamlessly navigate any window, leaving behind crystal-clear results. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best window cleaner robots you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the AlfaBot Window Cleaner Robot X7, our impressive number 5 on the list. This remarkable cleaning machine offers an array of features that will revolutionize your window cleaning experience. Say goodbye to manual water spraying with the AlfaBot X7's ultrasonic water spray nozzle, providing a more thorough and pristinely clean. Please note that the default mode is an auto spray, but you can effortlessly switch to auto spray mode using the convenient remote control. Speaking of the remote control, the AlfaBot Window Cleaner Robot allows for manual operation with 3 different modes: auto up then down, auto left then down, and auto right then down. Equipped with 2 wheels, this innovative robot can traverse windows and walls smoothly without leaving any scratches behind. When it comes to deep cleaning high-rise windows, the X7 robot excels. Its intuitive cleaning technology intelligently selects the optimal cleaning path, while the washable microfiber pads ensure a deep and sparkling clean. No corner is left untouched thanks to the advanced edge detection technology that guides the robot along the edges of the glass. Safety is a top priority with the X7 robot. Its 3 kPa suction power ensures a firm attachment to the glass, while the 30-minute backup battery guarantees uninterrupted cleaning even during power failures. All these impressive features can be yours for the affordable price of $239. Introducing Syvio Window Cleaner Robot, our impressive number 4 on the list. Syvio has undergone significant upgrades, boasting 2 powerful motors and an impressive 5,000 PA strong suction. This intelligent robot firmly adheres to glass surfaces, providing deep and thorough cleaning. Its unique cleaning process involves wet wiping first, followed by a dry wipe, effectively removing dust and preventing unsightly watermarks, suitable for glass thicker than 0.13 inches. But that's not all. The Syvio Window Cleaner Robot also offers automatic spraying and remote control capabilities. Equipped with a 0.3 ounces water tank, it can spray water on its own, and you have the option to manually control the spray using the included remote. Simple operation makes it perfect for the elderly and kids. Plus, Syvio provides you with 8 cleaning cloths for easy replacement, available at the affordable price of just $199. Meet the Chovery Smart Window Cleaner Robot, our number 3 pick for new window cleaning robots. This advanced robot is equipped with an auto ultrasonic water spray system, featuring an extra-large 0.3 ounces water tank and a 15 atomized water spray. With the convenience of a remote control or compatible smartphone app, you can effortlessly control the robot's cleaning process. Experience excellent cleaning effects with its double spiral cleaning head and auto water spray function. Perfect for glass with a thickness above 0.11 inch and a size above 17 by 17 inches, this robot can clean 1 square meter in just 4 minutes, delivering outstanding results, especially on large windows. Choose from 3 auto-cleaning modes or take manual control as per your preference. With a powerful suction of 5,600 PA, this window washing robot firmly attaches to windows for efficient cleaning. Note that the robot must be connected to power for operation, and the suction power is effective only during charging. Get the Chovery Smart Window Cleaner Robot today for only $259. Discover the Mamibot Window Cleaning Robot W120T, our remarkable number 2 choice. Discover the Mamibot W120T, a sleek and high-performing eyeglass bot robot window cleaner. Garnering accolades as one of the top 10 smart devices of IFA 2018 by GearBrain, it's a clear winner. Ensure your safety with its multi-direction anti-falling sensors and equipped strong safety rope. In the event of a sudden power cut, the built-in 600 mAh battery allows the robot to cling to windows for up to 20 minutes and sound an alarm. Experience the power with its impressive suction capability of 3000 PA, firmly securing the windows. Choose from 3 convenient operating modes: the one-touch button, mobile app control, or remote control. Unlock intelligent cleaning routes as this robot achieves an outstanding 99% cleanliness, whether in wet or dry conditions. With 3 AI smart cleaning modes in patterns of Z, N, or Z to N, it exceeds expectations and revolutionizes window cleaning. This versatile window cleaning robot can be used on the frame and frameless glass, tables, smooth floors, bathroom walls, internal and external windows, and more. Note that it is not suitable for windows with gaps in the middle, skylights, or inclined work surfaces. Experience the future of window cleaning for the incredible price of $199. Say hello to the remarkable Sophinique window cleaner robot, our #1 choice for hassle-free window cleaning. With its advanced auto-cleaning mode, this robot effortlessly cleans your windows in 3 directions, ensuring a sparkling finish. Take control of the cleaning process with your smartphone, as the cleaner can be easily managed through Bluetooth connectivity. Compatible with iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch, as well as Android devices, this robot offers convenience at your fingertips. Equipped with a powerful vacuum motor, it works on various surfaces, including glass, walls, tables, floors, ceilings, and even those hard-to-reach spots. Safety is paramount, as the robot features automatic detection of window frames and obstacles, along with intelligent path calculation and a professional safety rope. With an impressive 13 pounds vacuum absorption capacity, you can say goodbye to risky ladder climbs. For your convenience, the robot provides an additional 30 minutes of absorption protection when turned off. Tackle high-rise cleaning effortlessly, as this versatile robot can reach up to 20 feet, supported by a 7-foot adapter cord and a 13-foot extension cord. Enjoy the benefits of enhanced comfort, practicality, and safety in your life, while saving precious time on window cleaning tasks. The Sophinique window cleaner robot is available at an attractive price of $199. Get yours today and experience the revolution in window cleaning. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.